Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a video. And if you've been watching my videos before, thank you guys for watching. I love you all so much. So let me just go straight into what I have for you guys today. So this lash company, Riakulashes, sent me some lashes, and to be honest, I was so excited. Like, this is like my first free makeup product. And before these free products came in, I had been patronizing them for some time, and I was actually the one that reached out to them to like send me some products to review for them, and they sent it. Like, I never really knew that I was going to like reach out to them and they would like respond and then send products to me. Sometimes you have to just like shoot your shots according to like what we say these days. So they sent me their lashes. Their lashes are actually really nice. If you check my Instagram page, like my old posts, I always tag them riakulashes. I've been using their lashes for a while. So they sent me the lashes and they sent me like their lash glue. So this is what I don't know how I lost one of it. I already used one set, and this is what they sent. They sent like different styles. There's chic, there's sky, there's sugar, the lash glue. I'm going to use sky. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking it all the way back to when I used to really struggle with lashes. So I'm going to like show you a method that I used that worked for me. I'm guessing it's going to work for like almost everybody, because the lash struggle is real, especially fixing lashes for yourself. It's easier to learn how to fix for someone, but for yourself it's always very difficult. So I'm going to show you how I started learning how to fix for myself, although that's not the method I use now, but I feel like that method could be helpful if you're just starting out like fixing for yourself. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. And I'm also going to use their lash glue. So I've already done my makeup, foundation, powder, glue, brows and eyeliner. So this is the packaging and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. I think I will have to stand up for this because, like I said, I use my phone to make my videos, so I don't usually see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to stand up and actually look through the camera and see if you guys are saying, oh yes. So just take a look. Really nice. So the method we're going to be using today is a kind of like a different method. We know the normal method is like you just take your lashes and then place it like that on your eyelid. So for the method we're going to be using today, you bend your lashes like this, such that there's a part that is protruding, and that's the part that you're going to put on your eyelid. So it makes it easier for you to like, okay, this is the protruding part. You can just put it. It's easier for you to see what you're doing if like you bend it like this. And it has to be like in the middle because it's going to be confusing for you. So we have something like this. This part is protruding, and this is the part that you're going to put on your eyelid. So this method is not really a method that I advise you to continue using when you probably get the hang of it, because you know normally you're supposed to even bend your lashes the other way around so that you can like get your eyelash shape better. But this time around we're going against it. So it's just because of the fact that, okay, it's just a learning step, and then from there you can now graduate to the regular and the normal way that you fix lashes. So now I'm going to apply my lash glue. So when putting your glue, try not to put too much. Like I used to take that for granted. I didn't know that like it was so important. I used to feel like, okay, the more the glue, the easier it would be. I felt like I needed to like use a lot of glue. But once you've applied a thin layer all over, to be honest, that is like okay. If your glue doesn't get tacky, it's going to be messed up. Like there's a high tendency that it's going to be messed up, so you have to allow it. So for this glue, it dries fast. I think this takes about 1 minute to get tacky. I don't know if you guys can see. Once it starts to get blue, then you know that, okay, it's almost time for me to use it. The reason you're supposed to allow the glue to get tacky, because it makes it easier. Once the glue is tacky like that, once you put it, that part you put stays, right? That's why you have to be really careful where you put it. Once you put it, that part you put stays, so it allows you to now fix the other side. But if the glue is still like really not so tacky, like it's still fresh and stuff and it's very watery, when you put it, it doesn't stay. It now starts moving and it's now going to mess up whatever you have there. Let's say your eyeshadow and all of that. So That's the reason you have to allow the glue to get tacky. So this is it. I'm going to place it like in the middle there. It's not even in the middle. Can you see that, like, the part that I put stayed? If this glue was not tacky, it's not going to stay like this, and it's going to keep moving around. So you want to take the outer part and put, and the inner part and put. These lashes are quite long for me. I just didn't remember to cut it. Like, I'm supposed to have removed a bit because it's like too long, so it's going to look too. So for lashes, you have to make sure that it's on your eyelid though, not on your natural lashes. If not, it's going to remove your natural lashes, guys. You don't want to put artificial glue and lashes on your natural lashes. It's going to remove it for you, right? So you have to just keep adjusting, pressing, probably press it together. Usually I would rub mascara before I put it, but I usually have fallouts. The reason for that mascara is, like, you know, most times when you apply eyeshadow, it just has fallouts and stuff. Maybe you just use mascara to dust it off, and maybe when you're rubbing your powder, it had made that place like really brown. So you have to like apply mascara so it's black, like the lashes that you're about to use. Another important thing is kind of lashes you use. There's some lashes you use that are going to blend well with your natural lashes. Just look at how this one is. Like, you don't really see that much demarcation, even though I put it really close to my lashes. Let's go ahead and fix the other one. This one was trying to be a disaster. It didn't want me to be great. Like, I was trying to use both hands and I was not really close to the mirror. Like, when I started fixing lashes, if I want to fix my lashes, like, to be like I'm almost inside the mirror so that I can really see where my lid is and where my lashes are, so I don't place it on top of my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lipstick. So guys, even though we had some challenges today, I'm sure you guys understood the method. I'm sure you guys understood what I was trying to say. It's kind of difficult showing this kind of things like on a video. It's easier if I'm just doing it myself. Like I said, I go close to the mirror and stuff. So, but that's like a method I feel is kind of like useful for beginners, and then maybe as you now graduate. At the end of the day, it's practice that, like, for lashes, you're going to get it wrong a lot. Even when you still know how to really do it, there's still going to be things that will be wrong. That's why it's advisable to use a transparent lash glue. So if at all it gets to stain something, it's not going to be obvious, like black glue. Do you get? There's a lot of noise in the background. So it's not going to be as obvious as the black glue. So you try to use a transparent lash glue and you just keep practicing. It just comes. To be honest, when I started fixing lashes like on myself, I felt like I was never going to get it. Like, I didn't believe that there'll be a time where it would be easy for me to just put my lashes on and it stays. It just came, to be honest. Even with all these methods, it still took me a lot of time. But if you keep doing it with the aim of like getting it, at the point to be so easy, like you can just do it in like 2 minutes or 1 minute. Once you have your glue on and stuff, you just put it and it stays. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please do subscribe, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and if it was useful to you, please give it a thumbs up, drop your comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.